but you fly to so many flowers. Ouch! Who is in my paws?
Mr. Rabbit, it's me. I am Ant here. I am stuck under your paws. I want to come out, please.
Oh, I am so sorry, Ant. Are you hurt? Oh, you look fine. Where were you going?
I was going to collect some grains or sugar pieces. My friends have gone. I got stuck under your feet.
Oh, don't worry. I will take you to your friends. I have to only hop once and we will reach your friends. You are going to collect grains? How many do you collect in a day?
Oh, if I am lucky, I can collect almost 108 grains a day.
108 grains a day? Okay, I will now find out how many grains you will collect this month. It is 108 into 31. Let me write it like this. I will put the multiplication sign and draw the line also. First, I have to multiply 108 by 1. It is 8. 0 and 1.
Chinu, I know why you put 0 here. Because 1 into 0 is equal to 0.
Right, Buzz. Now I have to multiply 108 by 30. First, I will put a 0 here. Now I have to multiply by 3. 3 into 8 is equal to 24. I will write 4 here and a small 2 on the top of 0. Now it is 3 into 0, which is 0.
But you have to add that small 2 sitting on top. So it is 0 plus 2, which is 2. You have to write 2 here.
Right, Rabbit. Now it is 3 into 1, which is 3. So it is 3,240. Now we have to add 108 and 3,240.
Let me add this. Friends, you can also add it with me. It is 8 4 3 and 3. It is 3,348. That is 3,348 grains in a month.
Oh, I did not know how to do this before. If I bring 108 grains a day To know how many grains I can collect in a month, I should do 108 into 31. That is 3,348 grains. Oh my God! I did not know I collected so many grains.
And you are a very hard-working insect. Now I will take you to your friends. Here we go. One big hop. Look, your friends are here.
Thank you, Mr. Rabbit. I will teach multiplication to my friends also today.
I can't believe this. Such a small ant collects so many grains in a day. Buzz, now we will find out how many flowers you visit in a year.
Oh, let's find that out. Buzz goes to 175 flowers in a day. So we have to do 175 into 365.
175 into 365. But why 365?
That's because there are 365 days in a year. We have to find out how many flowers you go to in a year. You go to 175 flowers in a day. So in 365 days, you will go to 175 into 365 flowers.
That means we have to multiply a 3-digit number by another 3-digit number. How do we do this?
I will tell you, Buzz. Let me do it now. First, I will multiply 175 by 5. It is 5. Seven, and 8. It is 875.
I know how you do this, Chinu. You carried forward the numbers to the next column. See, you carried forward 2 to the 10th column and 3 to the 100th column.
That's right. Now, Since we have already added this 2 and 3, we will strike them off.
Strike them off? But why?
Buzz, this is a bigger multiplication. We should not get confused with these small numbers that we carry forward. So it is better that we strike them off.
That's right. There will be more numbers to carry forward. That's why we should strike off those numbers that we have already added. Now we have to multiply 175 by 60. First we will put a 0 here. Now we have to multiply 175 by 6. It is 0.
Wait. Why did you put a 0 again?
That's because 6 into 5 is equal to 30. I put the 0 and carried forward the 3 to the next column. Now, 6 into 7 is equal to 42. Very careful now. We have to remember to add that 3. So, 42 plus 3 is equal to 45. We will write 5 here and take the 4 on top.
Now, I will do it. It is 6 into 1, which is 6. I know. I have to add the 4 that is on top. So, it is 6 plus 4, which is 10. We have to write 10 here like this.
Oh yes, Buzz. You have to be careful when you write the numbers. You have to give some space and write so that you don't make mistakes while adding in the end. Now, can you tell me what to do?
Multiply by the third digit.
No, Buzz. See, you forgot. First, you have to strike off the small numbers on top. So, let us strike off 3 and 4. Otherwise, we will get confused.
Rabbit is right. Now we have to multiply 175 by 300.
300? Why 300?
Look carefully, Buzz. This 3 is in the hundreds column. So it is 300. Now 300 has 2 zeros. Let us put 2 zeros here. Because we know that when any number is multiplied by 0, the answer is 0.
Now I know. We have to multiply 175 by 3. I will do it. First, it is 3 into 5, which is 15. I will write 5 here and 1 on top. Now, I know why you asked me to strike off these small numbers that are already added. If we don't strike them off, we will get confused.
That's right, Buzz. 3 into 7, which is 21. We will add this small one on top. 21 plus 1 is equal to 22. We will write this 2 here and carry forward the other 2 to the top.
Now let me do 3 into 1, which is 3. I will also add the small 2 on top. It is 3 plus 2, which is 5.
Okay, now let me add the numbers for you. It is 5, 7, 8, 3 and 6. 63,875. It is 63,875 flowers in a year, Buzz.
63,875. I will visit 63,875 flowers in a year. Oh, Meenu, are there so many flowers? What will happen if the flowers finish?
I am sure that there are so many flowers, Buzz. You will keep getting fresh flowers all the time.
Rabbit, your method of multiplication is so much fun. We can multiply big numbers also easily using your method. Who is that? Why is it carrying a slate